Hi everybody, just making a very quick video that I'm going to upload today, as today is the last day to get these deals if you're interested. First one was done at Real Canadians, that was the beans coconut milk. So these usually are $2.48. They're on sale right now for $1 each, and there's 75-cent peelies that you can find like on the can itself. So that means when you use that peelie with the sale price, each can ends up being 25 cents each rather than $2.48. The coconut milk, I just price matched. They're usually like one something there. Like $1.30. I price matched to 99 cents just because I really needed it. And then, this is actually 3 stores. No, yeah, 3 stores. The waffles here are $2.99 at Metro, but if you have the My Metro app linked with your Air Miles card and you scan it, it goes from $2.99 down to 99 cents. And then there is a $1 print coupon making the product completely free. And then the last thing was, this was $1.97 at Walmart. And then there is a $2 off coupon that you can find in stores. I'm not sure if they're still available, but you would find this coupon and it's for $2 off. So that would make this product completely free as well. So 25-cent beans, free waffles, and free coffee. Honestly, that sounds like a pretty good breakfast to me. So yeah, I'm going to upload this today. So if you guys have those coupons available, I highly suggest that you get to the store before they close. Bye guys.